Listen here, you cotton ball looking ass piece of shit. Stop trying to get into my chips. No. What the f... Did you just try to bite me? And you, fuck off.
Are you mad at me? No? Okay, good. What are you gonna do? Oh, what's up? Why are you swearing at me?
Alexa. Alexa. Alexa! You. What? What?
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Can you hold on?
Are you saying I might actually have something to offer this investigation?
Why the fuck were you up? No. Why were you up at 5 o'clock biting my